Luca, talk to me. Talk to me. Give me a growl. Really? Is that so? Tell me more. Fascinating. You're so fascinating. Can you tell me more? Really? And what else happened? What else happened today? Did we see a crane? Did we see it fly? Did we see it fly and it was big and it was white? Yeah. It was really pretty, huh? What else did we see? Yeah. And did we see a doggy? Did we see a woof woof? Woof 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 woof. Woof 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 woof. Did we see a woof 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 woof? Yeah? We saw a big doggy and we saw a little doggy. A little doggy. Yeah. And what else? What else do we see? Do you know? Can you tell me more? Did we go to the park? What did we see at the park? Do we see little boys? Did we see the little boys? And what were they climbing? Were they climbing? Yeah? And did they go down the slide? Yeah, they went down the slide. They were big boys. Oh, big burp. Say, excuse me. Excuse me. What you doing? What you doing now? Do you want to go outside? You want to go outside for another walk? It's a beautiful day. Should we go outside and enjoy it? You gonna play some music for us? What else? You. Can you show us how you do your shake, 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 shake. Bounce, 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 bounce. Shake, 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 shake. You do your little dance, dance, dance with your little feet. Okay, I think that's long enough now. Say goodbye, Luca. Ciao. Bye, Luca. Love you. This goes out to all my fans.